Welcome to our new video. Today we will be discussing on very hot topic air pollution level measurement. You know, air pollution is the most critical component that we see world is suffering. If the air are not good to breathe properly, it brings lot of impact and hazard to the health. Let's see how we can measure the air quality in an efficient manner so that you can take proactive action before visiting the place. What are the impactful area of air pollution? If air is polluted, you will be seeing that burning sensation and redness in your eyes. You will be seeing brain is getting fogged and you can get headache. If you see that irritation in your respiratory tract, you will be able to see coughing is happening. You will be able to see heart may be beating fast. You will be able to see that digestive disorder happens. You will be able to see if you are in the polluted air for long living, then your enzyme in the liver may be hampered. Your bone can face some disorder related to the osteoporosis due to prolongation of living in the polluted air zone. And long habit of polluted air breathing can impact the reproductive system as well. Let's now focus how we scientifically measure the air quality of a place. So air quality index ACI category is dependent on various pollutant that are present in the air. So basically we have got PM10, we have got PM 2.5, we have got NO2, we have got O3, we have got CO, we have got SO2, we have got NH3, and we have got PB. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 components are responsible for the air pollution criteria. So let's see what are those. PM10 are really particles with diameter of 10 micrometer or less. These are the particles very small and that pass through your throat, nose and enter directly in your lungs and start coughing. Once inhale, this particle can affect your heart and lungs, cause disorder of health in many forms. What is PM 2.5? PM 2.5 is a fine particle. If the air is polluted with much 2.5 grade, then it is visible that air is hazy and you can see in the fog situation in the air, especially on winter season, early morning or after sunset, etc. Then NO2 is the nitrogen oxide. This is the group of highly reactive gases known as nitrogen oxide. The nitrogen oxide include nitrous and nitric acid component, which is the indicator of large group of nitrogen oxide family. It gets into the air if repetitively the fuels are burned. Then comes ozone. Ozone is the O3 gas that comprises of oxygen atom. It is called smog. Ozone is a very harmful to breathe. Ozone aggressively attacks lung tissue by reacting the chemical with it. When ozone is present, there is a harmful pollutant caused by the ozone smoke. Then CO2 or CO. CO is a colorless, odorless gas, can be very harmful and irritated in nature when it is going into the respiratory tract. CO is released when something is really burnt in a longer period of time. The greatest source of CO is outdoor air coming from the cars and other vehicle and machinery. Sulfur oxide SO2 is again colorless, reactive air pollutant with strong odor. These gas can be threat to human health, animal health and plant life. The main sources of sulfur dioxide is emission from fossil fuel and natural volcanic activity. It is really impactful. Then comes ammonia or NH3 is the most abundant alkaline gas in the atmosphere. In addition, major component of total reactive nitrogen. The largest source of ammonia emission is agriculture, including animal husbandry and NH3-based fertilizer application. Finally, lead or Pb is the element of heavy metal industries. Lead are released directly into the air and suspended particles. Historic major sources of lead in the air emission were vehicles and the industry source indeed. Now we know what are the pollutants. Let's see the good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor, and severe table. So basically PM10, if 0 to 50, then it is good. Beyond 50 and less than 100 is satisfactory, and 101 to 250 is moderately polluted. Same manner, PM 2.5 0 to 30 is good, N2 0 to 40 is good, O3 0 to 50 is good, CO 0 to 1 is good, SO2 0 to 40 is good, ammonia 0 to 200 is good, and Pb is the heavy metal 0 to 0.5 is good. Now let's see how it is actually considered during the measurement of a specific city or location that you are live in or you are planning to visit. So in here, good means minimal impact, satisfactory means may cause breathing discomfort for sensitive people. Moderately polluted means may cause discomfort with the people with lung disease such as COPD, etc. Poor means it is breathing discomfort for many people, very poor and severe, obviously hazardous to common people as well. With the knowledge of various pollutant, if you click on iqair.com and search for any place you are going to visit or you are living, you will be having the clear understanding. So let's say New Delhi or Delhi, our capital. If you go and search, now you can see it is moderate as the value is 86. So it is moderate. That means it is not very badly polluted today. If you scroll down, then you will be able to see why it is moderate, why it is not good. Because CO it is 1350 SO2 it is 4.8, NO it is 62, O3 it is 3.2, which is pretty good, but PM10 127 and PM 2.5 is 24.5, which is causing the greater in nature. If you further scroll down, this is AI driven website aqair.com. Based on the trend, it is showing what is the previous and what is the upcoming. So today the score is 86. Yesterday the score was 146, and then tomorrow it is predicted as 122, 121 for day after, 115. So how they actually measure? So they measure based on the probability trend and likelihood of the car that will go over the weekend into the road, and that's how with the AI analytics the prediction and reports are generated through various algorithms. Now overall impact, if we follow this site nicely, it is providing the impact of health for living being. So air pollution reduces the probability and the health condition of the corpse. It is having hazardous situation of energy. Water is polluted when it is mixing the polluted air through rain. Climate changes, global warming, and the very extreme weather condition. Sudden change of weather actually happens. Respiratory disorder that we talked of, and finally the vehicles, the number of vehicles per square meter increasing day by day, and it affects in many form. Everything is on. How can you protect yourself? Less number of car, use public transport wherever possible, switch to electric, and hydrogen is coming so that the environmental pollution will be lesser and go green initiative will come. Walk, cycling wherever possible. Choose cleaner routes, wear masks, less burning, and air flow should be maintained very well in office, in home. Do not smoke, and then proper dusting and lesser carbon emission need to be ensured. Do not forget, follow the Go Green initiative. At least in 1 month, plant one plant in your neighborhood or locality. Tree has got a excellent power to absorb the pollutant of the air. It can really help and make the air cooler by absorbing the pollutant that are coming in various form, and it removes the CO2 and provides fresh oxygen to lighten the quality of the air pollution. Hope you have got good understanding how the airs are getting polluted, what are the impact of the air pollution, what you should do to make sure you are safe while living or while traveling to the polluted airspace. How can you know what is the measurement of a place you will be visiting considering the various pollutant in the air? which is responsible for air to be heavy? What will be the medication consideration that will be taking if you are visiting the polluted air place? Watch, go back, go forward, and learn, put the knowledge into practice. That's how you will be very much cautious. And do not forget to plant the tree. That's how, with Go Green initiative, you will be able to make things better for the earth to save. Thank you very much.